Joining the Dimplex PRO Installer Club was a no-brainer, really.
It doesn't cost you anything, it just rewards you.
It's something for nothing that you can keep staff happy and entertained.
Yeah, I definitely recommend joining the club.
It's good for resources, information, data sheets, it's good for branding materials. Being part of the Installer Club gives you access to all these things, and it's really made a difference to our business.
You're already doing the work, if you're already buying the heaters, already fitting them. It costs you nothing, but you get rewards.
We use Dimplex quite a lot, and they're good and easy to install. They literally fit pretty much right out of the box. You just got to screw them back and put the bricks in.
What made you decide to join the club?
Points. As the rewards have grown and the portfolio of things that you can buy has grown, we sometimes go to our engineers and ask them what they're interested in.
I've had socks.
Some socks. You get socks, I know that.
We love the club partner socks.
They look great with sliders.
Greg's vouchers is a good one for our guys in the company.
It just helps the team, motivates them, incentivises them. Happy engineer, happy customer, and that's really what we want at the end of the day.
As well as the rewards, we get access to the Dimplex design calculator.
I get all the details from the customer size of the rooms and stuff. I'm not having to think what it should be. They'll tell me what heaters I need to use.
We get a lot of support with training.
To start with, I've seen a link that we could get for advertising our business and sort of showcasing it.
Being on the Dimplex Club, customers ring us up and ask to fit Dimplex quantum heaters because they have seen our name on the Dimplex website.
Anything marketing-wise gets sent up to us. We're always kept up to date and have our finger on the pulse with Dimplex.
Dimplex name is obviously market leader, and they're a really well-made product and what we generally get asked to fit for our customers.
I'm quoting a job for electric heating. I'll mention Dimplex. It's a familiar brand, so 9 times out of 10 they'll go with Dimplex.
I think any installer would be daft not to be a member of the club. Maybe not say daft.
I'm proud to be part of the Dimplex PRO Installer Club.